Hi there! Experience a video crafted with ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and Stable Diffusion. Prepare for a mind-blowing fusion of creativity and technology. Get ready to be amazed. And remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date. AI is coming.
Exoplanet Unveiled, a nature odyssey. Embark on a captivating journey through the untamed landscapes of an exoplanet in our mesmerizing nature documentary, Exoplanet Unveiled, a nature odyssey. In this extraordinary film, we invite you to witness the breathtaking beauty and awe-inspiring wonders of a distant celestial body devoid of life forms, but teeming with natural phenomena. Immerse yourself in stunning landscapes and grand vistas that showcase the planet's diverse topography. Behold towering mountain ranges adorned with jagged peaks and deep, dramatic canyons carved by ancient forces. Marvel at vast, undulating deserts where sand dunes cascade and swirl in endless patterns, shaped by gusts of wind across millennia. Experience the serenity of flowing rivers meandering through lush, verdant valleys, nourishing the surrounding flora and creating intricate networks of waterways. Delve into dense, mystical forests where sunlight filters through the canopies, illuminating a tapestry of vibrant foliage and delicate flowers that bloom in a kaleidoscope of colors. Witness the ebb and flow of planetary tides as vast oceans stretch to the horizon, their azure depths hiding secrets yet to be discovered. Encounter captivating sunsets and sunrises painting the sky with an array of hues, casting a magical glow over the landscape. Throughout the documentary, you'll encounter mesmerizing natural phenomena that defy imagination. Witness the ethereal dance of the auroras as they flicker and ripple across the exoplanet's atmosphere, showcasing a mesmerizing display of vibrant colors. Marvel at colossal dust storms sweeping across vast plains, engulfing the land in a swirling, hypnotic embrace. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of geological wonders, from towering cliffs and majestic waterfalls to otherworldly rock formations sculpted by time and the elements. Discover ancient volcanic landscapes where lava once flowed and solidified, leaving behind surreal patterns and unique formations. Exoplanet Unveiled, a nature odyssey, is a tribute to the remarkable beauty and diversity found in the natural world, even on distant exoplanets. Join us as we delve into this captivating nature documentary, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary tapestry of nature that exists beyond our world.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.